The Lenovo Watch X or the Watch 10 has a classic watch design, but it has quite a few fitness tracking features. It can show notifications from your phone, and most importantly, it costs just about 50 bucks. I think it offers insane value for the price, but as usual, let's take a look at all the pros and cons. The watch ships with some paperwork and a magnetic charger. For just 50 bucks, you get a stainless steel design, sapphire crystal display, and a nice Milanese strap that is flexible and it's nice to the touch. The build quality is just excellent, and honestly, the watch looks and feels much more expensive than it is. There are almost no plastic parts, just a rock-solid metal and strong glass. The watch is also quite compact, meaning that it won't look ridiculous like some other massive smartwatches. I found the Lenovo X to be comfortable to wear. Also, you can easily replace a 20mm strap by yourself. The Lenovo watch uses a Ronda gear movement, which is usually found in more expensive watches. Other key features include 8 ATM waterproof certification, meaning that you can go diving with this watch up to 80 meters deep. What's more, there is a heart rate monitor that I found to be pretty accurate, at least when I compared the results to the Amazfit Bip. The watch also supports continuous heart rate monitoring. The battery life is just insanely good. The watch is set to last you up to 45 days, and I'm here to charge it after using the watch for 3 weeks. A tiny OLED display shows all the essential information you need: time, battery status, and temperature. Also, you can see your daily activity, measure and see your heart rate, blood pressure, sleep quality, set an alarm, and adjust a few settings. Also, the watch's pointers glow at night, so you'll be able to check the time in low light easily. There is only one navigation button and there is no touchscreen on the watch, which was a bit weird at first, but I got used to it in a day. The watch also has a sleep monitor, sedentary reminder, gyroscope, and a temperature sensor. However, there is no GPS, but that's understandable given a low price. Once you connect the device to your phone, you can unleash the full potential of the watch, but you will need to deal with some weird Chinese translations. On a positive note, you can track your fitness routines in detail and adjust quite a few different settings. All in all, I think that the Lenovo Watch X is a great budget watch. The main downside is that the application needs some work in terms of some translations. Other than that, you get a nice and premium design, plenty of features, great battery life, and the watch is comfortable to wear. For the price of just about 50 bucks, the Lenovo Watch X offers incredible value, and I can easily recommend you checking it out. As always, you'll find a product link down below the video if you're interested in picking one up. But what do you guys think about the Lenovo Watch X? Would you buy it, or would you choose another budget option? As always, like the video if you liked it, drop me a comment down below if you have any questions, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching, and see you soon.